Hello friends, today I learned how to create this amazing t-shirt design in a minute. If you learned something from this video, then subscribe to my channel and like the video. So let's start. Open your ChatGPT and type here this prompt. Create the t-shirt print design for colorful beagle illustration wearing sunglasses with ink dripping from the bottom. Then press enter and wait for a minute. You get amazing design. Here you go. Now scroll down. Now tap on this design and click on this arrow save and download this image. Now again copy that prompt and paste here and replace dog by name skull and again wait for a minute. You have to wait for a minute because AI takes minute but give the amazing result. Boom! You get amazing skull design. Again download this image. Now again copy that prompt and paste here. Now replace skull name by cat. The main tagline is illustration wearing sunglasses with ink dripping from bottom, and you can add any name which you want to create the design. Then again press enter. You have to keep patience. Here you go. Again you get amazing design of cat. Again download this. Now paste in your design, t-shirt design. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.